Welcome back. How y'all doing out there? My name's Eddie Steady. This is my Southern Opinion. I bring you battle rap recaps, breakdowns, predictions, world news, and things of that nature, etc., etc. Hopefully, y'all washing your hands, keeping your distance, staying free of that Rona. Because at this point, it's not who has it, it's who doesn't have it. So, man, stay clean out there. Keep your mask on. Stay away from people. And let's stay healthy. Today, I want to talk about this beef on wax we got. We got a chess diss we want to listen to. We got a shotgun suge diss. Now this shotgun suge diss is fire. Shotgun suge say, hats off to you. You did your thing on this diss. For real. I wasn't expecting this, but Shotgun Suge came hard. And with the chest diss, Shotgun Suge, he said, let me get some of that too. And I like Shotgun Suge. I like this diss. But we gonna start off with the chest. This chest diss is nice. But then too, Chess, he's good on wax, man. You know what I'm saying? Just like Surf, that boy good. Cake Life Chess, set the tone. Let's go. Jumped that hoe smooth off. Jumped it off. Right out the gate. Mook, what's up? Calico, what's happening? Hey, bring that shit back. Set the tone, man. Set the fucking tone, Chess. That's what I'm talking about. That was Set the Tone by Chess. This Shotgun Suge. Man, I'm tired of talking about it. Shotgun Suge. This Shotgun Suge is up there. It's in the clouds. Rule the world. Man. Whew. Let's go on and get into it. This is the Baby Loke. Shotgun Suge. Big Dog. Nork. This is called Rule the World. Man.
Get customized car insurance with Liberty Mutual, so we only pay for what we need. Hey yo, me and the guys rule the world. Small circle, we ain't taking no referrals. Other niggas drop jewels, fat poppy dropping pearl. Check these niggas when they acting like girls. Twitter had me tripping like wow. I never seen a male battle rapper scrub the ground. He posted as a joke, but he never took it down. No, he looking for attention, he like an only child. All the corny niggas dead, and you better grab a noose. This approach, you ain't got much time to recruit. I drop back to back, now these niggas scared to shoot. Those is warm-ups, they just getting loose. Somebody tell Lou I'm outside, she quiet. You already know the vibes, I'm on your ass, cause you really lost the vibe. I'm looking wild strong with the lines. Easy gon' fuck around and put you on pine. You ain't getting no more burn out here. Get in the ring, get some shit you can learn out here. You jump past the gate, wait your turn out here. Disrespect you gotta earn out here. Midnight Madness got these groups talking Mackie. First thing first, we gon' clip the shite rackies. New eye pack, we gon' put them in them baggies. Better watch your mouth when you come and try to attack me. Big cannon in the space talking crazy. No more space, so you cannot bring Gracie. And I ain't forget about that time you tried to play me. Looking at them contracts, some things are looking shady. Better know that I take a trip out the gutter city. Out looking, don't see nothing gritty. Get a section neat, shit, I give them pity. Landlord don't want nothing with me. I came from cooking coke, man, I got it to a science. Fat mixed with raw, man, it's God-tier lines. I kill every nigga on God-tier lions. Run circles round Mars without trying. It's all fun and games, got me laughing, got me dead. Marry, fuck, kill, I shoot hard in the head. Bloggers don't fuck with me, I said what I said. Head ice, one smoke, tell beasts in that bread. Man, I'm done, man, these niggas can't rap. They still get quiet when you start spilling facts. They don't want to book it, I'm a bully on tracks. I'm better on wax, once it's on, I'ma take it to the max. And I treat you like coke in a trap, get stepped on. You looking like them guys we catch wreck on. Fries keep calling for the gun, they think he Teflon. Buy a crib on this block, we can stretch on. If you ever said my name, use a target. I flip this crib, tell them put it on the market. I get money, S5, don't ask what it from me. This nigga Jag said my name, use a dummy. Took off the tummy cause he tucking in his tummy. Told Smack said
Fire. Fire. Who gonna reply? Will it be Fonz? Who's gonna reply to this? Head Ice? Somebody gotta get Chess, man. Chess, to be 22 years old and into this battle rap shit since he was, what, 16? Battling Tay-Rock at 18 years old. Chess is a freaking legend in battle rap. Debate me if you want. Let's go. I think Chess is a straight staple in battle rap, man. All that, when he had his little choking problem, he was young, he got it together. And Chess is really one of the GOATs out here. Young GOAT. You know what I'm saying? Ask Surf, he said he the most well-rounded person in gun titles. Hey, hats off to that young brother, man. His future's super bright, man, because he got his shit together. This is my Southern opinion. I like this on Wax Beef. I just had to bring it to the light and talk about it. I enjoy both of these tracks, and I want more of it. Who's gonna respond? B Dot, where you at? K Shine, where y'all at? This is my Southern opinion. Battle rap is lit. Check out them spaces. Battle rap. Black Compass Media going crazy right now. They just dropped a fucking Jim Jones interview. Them boys working. This is my Southern opinion. I'm here. I got my setup. I'm ready. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, I got my setup behind me. I got table here, table here. I got brand new desk. I got my little old setup for y'all. This channel ain't going nowhere. I'm finna produce a lot more videos. I'm a lot more comfortable now, so I'll be coming right back to you. Stay tuned. I got my 2022 must-see battle rappers for this year. It's coming right up. This is my Southern opinion. Holla at y'all later.